He is from New York, who competed in season 19 of NBC's The Voice. He was able to get rid of the haters and learn something important about himself in the process. His family, his brother, his older brother Jake, his mother, his father named David. Music has always been a big part of Carter's life and family. His older brother Jake and his father David play drums. Her mother's father, Rick Mango, was an unofficial member of the 1960s band Joy and the Americans. His brother Jake was diagnosed with the autism at the age of 2. Jake and Carter performed for the charity together. After winning the show, he has an estimated net worth of $100,000. He was born on 2006. He was born in the Soreham, New York, USA. He was the one of the contestant of The Voice 2020. He performed the Lewis Capaldi song Before You Go for his blind audition. At the time of his audition, he was only 14 years old. When making the case for why he should be on her team, Cleve told Carter, "My son is 14 years old, so I could be like a mom figure." He started his Instagram account when he auditioned for The Voice. Artists like Harry, Shawn, Eddie, and Lewis have influenced him in a major way. He grew up in the musical family and was inspired by his grandfather, a guitarist and backup vocalist. He loves singing and playing music, especially with his older brother Jake. He also performs in his school's musical and various community events. With each passing performance, the 15-year-old singer is getting more and more praise from all coaches, including his own team coach, Gwen Stefani. His family run a non-profit organization called the Family in Arms, which was founded in honor of Carter's brother Jake. for all supporters. He's gotten. John was disappointed when Carter chose Gwen's team. He already has some performances under his belt. His parents are very confident in their son's ability and have always been big supporters.